Allotropes are different structural forms of the same element in the same physical state, and there are 4 different types of allotropes of carbon that you need to know about: diamond, graphite, graphene and fullerenes. Diamond is formed from several carbon atoms, each sharing 4 covalent bonds in a tetrahedral structure. It's very hard with a high melting point because the large network of covalent bonds require a large amount of energy to break them. Diamond does not conduct electricity because it has no free moving electrons or ions. Graphite is made of layered structures of hexagonal rings, and here each carbon atom is bonded to 3 other atoms with covalent bonds rather than 4. So because carbon has 4 electrons in its outer shell, only 3 of them will be used to bond to other atoms, and this means that the 4th electron is not used for bonding. This electron is delocalized and free to move. This means that graphite is a good conductor of electricity, as its delocalized electron can carry a charge through its structure. It's also soft and used as a lubricant due to the weak forces between the layers. These weak forces allow the layers to slide over each other. Graphene, on the other hand, is a single layer of graphite, and it's strong and light. It's a good conductor of both heat and electricity, again due to its delocalized electrons, so it's used in electronics and composite materials. Fullerenes are molecules with hollow shapes such as spheres and tubes. They can encapsulate other molecules and are used in drug delivery and industrial catalysts. One example of a fullerene is Buckminster fullerene. This is a fullerene in the shape of a sphere with a formula of C60. Another example of a fullerene are carbon nanotubes. These are cylindrical fullerenes with high length to diameter ratios. Their properties make them useful for nanotechnology, electronics and materials. They're good conductors of heat and electricity as they have delocalized electrons, meaning they can be used in electronics and nanotechnology. They also have very high tensile strength without much mass, meaning they're useful for certain materials that need to be strong and light, such as the ones used in tennis rackets. Okay, now let's try a quiz on this topic. See how many questions you can get right. If you liked that video and want to see more, remember to subscribe to Flash Revision Lab to get notified every time we release new content.